There's also a couple of these ashtrays that I bought. The ones in my car are looking very shabby, so I've got new ones off AliExpress, and I'm going to fit these to the car while I have the door card off, because it's a door card off job. I'm just going to, without using a trim tool, pry on this thing. You can see it's got some clips, and it's got a little hook over there, so when you pull it out, just move it that way. There are two screws over here and screw down here. There's a big screw which is very difficult to get to in here, and then we need to just take off this speaker grill, remove the screw over there. What I've done is I've taken a socket, put another socket on it and another socket, and this section of the socket actually helps to guide you so that you get that screw really good. So I've taken out these two screws. These are the screws that go in here, and we've got the big one undone. It's still sitting in there, and then there's another one sitting here behind the speaker grill. I think the best place to tackle this is over here on this side. There we go. So if you can just be careful when you're doing this, because these speaker grills do like to break. Just make sure you get all the clips off nicely. There are two angled clips on that side, so it slots in like that. So it's a good thing I tackled this from this angle and not from that angle, because I would have broken these tabs. There is the screw that we need to remove. Right. Since we have it loose, I think we can just use our hands to pull it loose. And then pull the plug out of the door control module. The ashtray needs to be replaced. This is the new one. It seems to have some kind of grease or something on it. My hands are also very dirty, and it doesn't help. But this is actually damaged on my car. So I want to, there are two clips over there, but I don't know how would one unclip them unless you remove the entire armrest. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws as far as I can see. These are all T20s. I'm just going to take the screws off. Wow, these are big mothers. So undo these 6 screws, get the armrest off. For F1, that's strange. For F1 is usually a American part number left-hand drive. There's our 6 screws. Let's just see, will this thing budge? Ah, there's another screw there. I don't want to undo the wiring. So there's 7 screws that hold the armrest on the car. Now it's not coming off at the top. I just noticed these 2 little screws here, so I'm going to take them off and just remember to put them back where they belong. Very nice of them to color code the screws. So there's something that goes in here. Oh, it's a light. So the light goes into the ashtray. I'm just going to undo this plug because this is for the window switch. Look at this filth. Absolutely disgusting. I need a brush just to clean all this stuff out. So it wasn't necessary for me to take the whole armrest off because there are the clips. I didn't see them. I'm such an idiot, but anyway, got them off, and then I'm just going to unclip this one and pop it out. Jeez, look at this. Holy cow. Very, very dirty. Just going to clean up everything here using an old toothbrush, and this is my old one, so it's delaminating all the black stuff. The soft black stuff is coming off, and believe it or not, I got the new ones on AliExpress. They go in a certain way. That's the one for the right hand side. This is the one for the left hand side. There's a very, very slight shape to them, so you can't just stick them in. There we go. So now I just need to clean this up, but I have a nice new ashtray cover, and the only way to replace the cover is to replace the whole thing. I need to figure out where this light goes in, because I have no idea. Let me just get the window switch in, and then I can get that in last. Window switch is in place now. I'm going to have to do this off camera. Right, so I've got that little light in, and I'm just going to put these two black screws back first, and they went in over there. And well, they're like very, very large self-tapping Torx 20s. So now you know how to install an ashtray on the rear door of your Audi A6. Thank you for watching. See you next time.